There you are, you lovely lot. I'm going to share an adjective with you guys today. Of course, I use this one with a friend chatting on the phone like I do. It's top notch. Top notch. Maybe you've heard of it. What does it mean? It means something is really excellent. It's splendid, spectacular, it's the best of something. We could also say it's something of the best quality. So let me give you some example sentences. I love my new Rolls Royce. It's got all the latest top-notch gadgets. I love my Rolls Royce. It's got all the latest top-notch gadgets. You'd love it too if you've seen it. It's in my imagination. Anyhow, I'm driving it in my imagination. Top-notch, i.e. it's got the buttons that you press for the windows, the doors, the petrol can, all sorts of gadgets, and they are top-notch. All right, my lovelies, have a top-notch day. Be sure to give the video the thumbs up, some love, because you know I'm going to blow you a kiss, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.